Hello guys, welcome back on AudioTribe YouTube channel. In this video I will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the LG Xboom XL7S. So let's see first what we have in the box. So this is the LG Xboom XL7S. So I was searching for a speaker that has internal battery, just like the JBL Party Box 120, the JBL Party Box 320, and just like the Sony XV900. And this is a speaker that has really an internal battery that lasts up to 20 hours of playing time. So it will be very cool. As you see, it has two tweeters, it has one big 8-inch woofer, it has a LED display that you can leave it with these lights, or you can write something here. Of course, the color you can change it with which color do you like. So I really love that you can see here something that you can write, like happy birthday, like subscribe, like something else. Now on the top we will see the input button. We have the turning on and off, the volume plus and minus volume button, the play and stop, the button that you can change the light, the boost sound, that means it has only one level of extra boost, and of course you can change the inputs between these three. Of course, because it is very heavy, it has almost 15 kilograms, it has this handle and it has wheels on the bottom, so you can move it from side to side very easily. And of course here we have the input panel, control panel. We have the mic and the guitar in, the USB that you can charge your phone, some echoes for the microphone, and you can charge the speaker here. Of course it has the charger here because this speaker, it has IPX4, so that means it is splash proof protect. I will not leave it in the rain, but a few drops will not hurt her. Of course this is a place where you can store your cover. And as you see, it doesn't have a bass port on the bottom, but it has the bass port here. So I think this speaker will be very cool. This speaker costs around $350, so you can definitely see that it is the most cheapest one between all of these four speakers. Even the JBL Party Box 120 cost around 400 to 450, while the JBL Party Box 320, that is almost at the same size, it costs around $500 to $550. Now I will make a sound test to see how good it will sound and how loud it is, because I am very curious about this 8-inch woofer. Let's see.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit now, the highway, and way is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
And that was the sound test from the LG Xboom XL7S. As you see, it looks very good. It even has this stroboscope here, so I really love how it looks. And let's talk about the sound. I can definitely tell you that the bass it is strong. You can definitely feel it in the room, but as sound, I can place it right between the JBL Party Box 120 and the 320 as loudness, but I do not feel that it sounds very good. So in my opinion, the JBL Party Box 120 and the 320 sounds better. Of course, I will make a sound test with them to see really which is louder, which has stronger bass, and which sounds better. But yeah, for $300, that's the cost of this speaker. I can definitely recommend it. It doesn't sound that good, but it doesn't sound bad. For $300, I think you put the money right where you need to be. So let's see the app. So it uses the LG Xboom app, and it looks just like this. So we can definitely see that it has 90% of the battery. It is on Bluetooth. Now of course the volume it is down. Equalizer it is on sound boost, standard or custom. Okay, we will leave it on sound boost. And what else? So it has here this small tutorial. It has the pixel art display. Let's change it. Make some noise. So it is at the same time, you see. Okay, multicolor ring. So this is the ring from the woofer. The party strobe, these ones, and you can wirelessly connect with another speaker, and that's about it. So the app it is very good. You can change almost everything on it, and yeah, I can recommend you to buy this speaker if you have only $300. In the box we have the power cable and some manuals that no one reads, of course. So for $300, I don't know something better at $300. This is how I put it. Of course it has the 20 hours of playing time. Of course it has IPX4. Of course it has an 8-inch woofer, the lights, it has this display. So I really love it and I can recommend it to you. But of course if you have $500, just go for the JBL Party Box 320. That will be much better. In the next few days I will make some comparison tests to see which is better, which is louder, has stronger bass, and overall which is the best speaker. But for $300 it is a very good speaker. So what do you think about this video? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.